Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Ipsy. I think my favorite thing is the rainbow zipper. Super cute bag this month. Ooh, oh no, something exploded in there. I have never had that happen before. Oh, gross. Well, this is a body scrub. And card is ruined. Let's see if I can try to open it. Yuck. Yeah, so it's kind of ruined. Some of the products you can't really tell. So let me go get a paper towel. Oh, it was this one. Look, it's popped right there at the top. So it was the body scrub. And I can email them and I'm sure they'll send me a new one, a new, product. But oh God, everything's wet. Uh-oh. This may not be salvageable. Sunday brunch. Lush. Does this say Lush Eyeshadow? Ooh, it says cinnamon roll though. Let's dig in. Hopefully it didn't get under here. But we'll see. Yeah, so that's fine. That didn't get touched. But that's an eyeshadow. Also have watermelon Dew All Over Serum. Ooh, by Tony Moly. That actually sounds cool. I have some watermelon face moisturizer and I love it, so excited that that's watermelon. Then we have Tarte mascara, so that should be fine because that's sealed. I'll just have to clean the outside really well. And the last one in there. Oh God, I can see it all at the bottom. I could feel it. It's just like a puddle. This is Pink Guava Plus Primer. I don't even know what it is. So, is this just for your eyes? Oil-free primer. Okay. Shake well, dispense in a dry skin, so it's for your whole face. I wish you could feel this. It's like so gritty and cool. So yeah, that's what I got this month. Hopefully yours didn't explode on you. But I've been subscribed for years, and I think this is the first time this has happened, so that's okay. But if you guys would like to join or see my playlist, make sure you check out the description below. Have all the links and everything down there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.